They came in, they got right to work, and whenever I had any questions, they answered the questions. It was really nice to know that you guys moved really quick. They did a good job, and we got the kitchen back up and running faster than a lot of other people said, which was really nice.
Talk about your experience with the installers.
We had a few glitches here or there, but I would bring up something and they would fix it.
When you're tearing out a whole kitchen and putting in a brand new everything, and you got the electric and the plumbing and the cabinetry and you're doing all those different things, little hiccups are going to come up, but having a company that's able to handle those and resolve them immediately is one of the things I think that really sets us apart. It's okay, here's the problem, here's the solution, let's move forward.
I mean, that's what you want. And I was amazed how fast the demolition went.
You guys actually lived through this. That can be really stressful for a lot of people. How was that for you and your family going through that?
It was fine. It wasn't really that disruptive. I mean, I'm home and, I would sit in here and watch them because I was curious or be in the living room, and it was fine. It wasn't that disruptive at all, other than having to wash dishes in the bathroom sink.
We try to get through it as fast as we can. As you experienced here, is that we know that this is not easy, it's not convenient, and we try to push through as quick as we can to get you back up and running, get that kitchen back in. Sometimes
it's not a plumber, sometimes it's not an electrician, sometimes it's not a carpenter, sometimes it's just a honeydew man.
That's all you need.
Okay. The thoughts are it came out beautifully. I mean, it exceeded our expectations. We love the kitchen. It gives us a lot more space than what we had before. It was relatively painless. It really was. They did a great job. I would definitely recommend you. Definitely would.